Hello friend, Shreyas here from shreyasyadav.com. In this Lightroom tutorial, we will learn how to adjust contrast using a tone curve. First, we will understand how to read a tone curve and how to use a tone curve. In the Adobe Lightroom, under the Develop module, you will find a tone curve. On the x-axis, the left area represents the shadows and the right area represents the highlights. Similarly, on the y-axis, the bottom area consists of dark pixels and the top area consists of bright pixels. The pixels in the top region are bright and the pixels in the bottom region are dark pixels. Similarly, the pixels appearing on the left are under the shadows and the pixels appearing on the right are under the highlights. You can adjust the contrast for specific pixels based on where they lie, such as shadow area, highlight area, and the midtones. There are three ways you can adjust the contrast using a point curve option. So under the point curve options, you will have linear contrast, medium contrast, or a strong contrast. A second method is using the control points on the tone curve. So you can adjust the points on the tone curve to adjust the contrast. And the third option is using the selection point. So here is selection point, and based on this selection point you can adjust the contrast. Now let's go to Adobe Lightroom and learn how to adjust contrast using the tone curve. We are in Adobe Lightroom Develop module. Under the Develop module you can find a tone curve. So we'll start with the first method, that is by using a point curve option. So under the point curve options you will find three ways you can adjust the contrast. The first is linear, okay. The second one is medium contrast, and the third option is a strong contrast. So generally for most of my images I choose medium contrast. Now we'll see the second method to adjust the contrast. So we'll go to this parametric curve and we will adjust the points in the dark area, in the bright area, and in the midtones. So I will adjust the points in the dark area. Notice how the contrast is changing in the image. Now I will adjust the bright point, and I think I will keep the midtone point same as it is. So this is another way to adjust a contrast using a tone curve. The third option to adjust the contrast is by using the selection points. So you can click on this point and select the darkest pixel in this image, okay, and I'm clicking and dragging it down. Notice how the contrast is changing. Similarly, now I will pick up the brightest point or the bright point in the image and I will adjust it. And I think I will keep the midtones as it is. So now you can see a before and after pictures. So these are the three ways you can adjust the contrast using the tone curve in Adobe Lightroom. Thanks for watching this video. I have a special free gift for you. It's my 9-step Adobe Lightroom guide. It includes a Lightroom guide that shows you how to go from a raw image to an awesome image, how to use the Lightroom tools to enhance the image, a free set of images for you to practice. To get this free guide, click on the link in a video description below. If you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when a new video is up, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Hey, again, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.